Dainty jewelries are love, and for me it is one of those best ways by which you can make your simple outfit, your simple fashion look effortlessly elevated. Here in this video, I'm going to show some of my dainty jewelry pieces which I've got from Amazon. These pieces are extremely in trend, affordable, it won't burn a hole in your pocket, and to be very honest, I feel Amazon is like a hub for a lot of jewelries from different brands, so you need to be very picky while selecting pieces. And in this video we have bracelet, we have neck chain, we have rings, earrings, and a lot of it, so you'll get an idea of the right brand and the right pieces that you should definitely invest in. So without further ado, let's get started. The first piece is a set of dainty rings, and it is 8 rings set from a Jewels Galaxy store, and they had a lot of designs in it, and this was available in design number 1. It is for both the hands. I mean, you can style it fully if you love yourself, loading yourself with jewelries, but not everyone loves doing that. In that case, you can wear it individually too. That also looks equally pretty. And one thing which I found really pretty about these rings is how different they are from each other, look wise and feel wise, the texture wise. Some rings are flat rings, whereas some are textured, some are curved, crisscross, so they were totally good. And all the rings are in different size, anyways it will fit you really well. I mean, I have medium to thin fingers and it fits really well in that case. So बहुत affordable है, बहुत stylish है, and it looks good, it feels good, no less than an H&M piece. So I think I'll definitely recommend this, and I think you won't regret trying this out. Next up we have is this multi-layered bracelet, and it is from the brand called Shining Diva. Yeah, Shining Diva. And these are extremely subtle and stylish at the same time. All in all, we have 4 bracelets, and while ordering it, I was kind of confused because I was thinking that these bracelets were kind of attached all together. But जब ये आया, तो I was so happy because all the bracelets are separate. So we have this option of wearing it individually, wearing it separately, and wearing it all together too. So you can wear it with your basic outfit, you can wear it at work, at office, at normal meetings, because it is that minimal looking jewelry, and the color, golden color, is really basic. I mean, it's not that eye pokey, and all the bracelets are extremely pretty. The 2 of them are in rigid kind of material with a knot detailing at the center and triangular design with marble printed kind of aesthetic, and the rest 2 has triangular shape in the center and chemistry formula like shape in the center again. So that's pretty cool. The next piece is my absolute favorite, and it's an exquisite beauty. I mean, words fall short to explain how much I love Chan Balis, and I really wanted to get my hands on big Chan Balis, and these days almost all Bollywood actresses are carrying Chan Balis with their traditional attire, and this one is from iJewels. I mean, just look at it, it's so pretty, and this was available in 4 different color, maroon color, green color, red color, and white color, and I prefer versatility over anything, so I went with white color. And you really don't need to carry anything else if you are wearing this with your traditional attire. Absolutely बहुत ज़्यादा heavy है. Chan Balis are supposed to be heavy, but we have this knot-like detailing here in which you can put a chain sort of to make it more bearable for your ears. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'm dying to just wear it out and flaunt. And yes, it is affordable, but it is a must-buy. Now the next category is of neck chains, and we have 3 pieces in total, all the beautiful and trendy pieces, and I have got them from the Jewels Galaxy store. So it's really pretty, and the boxes are really cute. I mean, you can use it to put in your small rings, earrings, so it's really good. Let's start out with this one. I'm going to show one by one. We have this really cute dainty neck chain which is in trend, I mean, from Ek Date Salse, and I had a thinner version of the same, and I was so in love with this design that I got it again in a thick material. So it's really pretty, really trendy, and it's not that heavy. I mean, weight wise it's okay, but design wise it's top notch. I mean, the quality and everything is really good, and since I have thinner waist, I can just wear it as a bracelet too. So for me, it is a multi-purpose piece. Another piece has pearls all over. I mean, it's so cute, and one thing which I really loved about this neck piece is कि ये सामने से openable है, kind of convenient as बहुत ज़्यादा problem होती है, and it has this really coin-like detailings here जिसपे Queen Elizabeth II engraved हैं, तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा cute and बहुत dainty सा लगता है, and you can just wear it to boost your basic boring outfit. And one thing which I also find about this whole neck chain is that if you turn it around, then it will look like a pearl ka piece, pearl ka neck chain. So that also looks good. तो ये भी आपके लिए multi-purpose काम करेगा. Absolutely give this a shot as well. The next one is this. Let me show it to you all. So it is, oh my god, it's really tough to detangle it, but yeah, so it is this multi-layered neck chain, 3 layers में है. The first one has triangular details, the second one has the bar detail, and the third one has coin in the center. And while ordering it, I was confused in between 2 other designs, the lock and key designs and the evil eye design, but then I finalized this one and stopped overthinking about it. So it's really pretty, but it's really tough to detangle it again and again, but you can definitely carry it with a basic white t-shirt or plunging like neckline wale dresses. It will look absolutely great and accentuate your neck area. And the last piece from the jewelry section is absolutely not my type, but then also I got it considering my future traditional fashion videos, and it is a full jewelry set from Shining Diva, and it is like a whole and soul kundan set, and it is in maroon and white color. I absolutely love this whole set, but this is for sure that I'm never going to wear it like fully pura to kabhi nahi. I'm going to style it individually, neck piece kabhi, ya fir earrings, ya fir mang tikka, and I really love putting on a basic small mang tikka with a sari. And I think mang tikka is one of those neglected piece from jewelries which I think needs acknowledgement, so I'm going to style it that way too. And we have got options for this one like a lot. They had all in all 10-11 colors, so you have got to select from a lot of options. This is really cool. I mean, the color is really pretty and the material is really pretty, so definitely give it a shot. We have also got some products from the skincare category. Let's start out with the first one, which is my holy grail. It is Cetaphil Dam, and it is 100-gram tube for 435 rupees. I won't say it's extremely affordable, but it does wonders to our skin. I mean, मेरे पूरे घर पे almost सभी use करते हैं, and I just love it. It is like ultra hydrating lotion. It can keep your skin moisturized for 24 hours, and take my words, it won't clog your pores. It is not irritating, non-greasy, and I have a lot of it. It's empties at my place, and every time I re-buy it again and again for my personal usage, so this is for that purpose only. And the next up is a must buy for all. I mean, be it boy, be it girl, everyone. It is Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock. It has the dry feel, and it has SPF 50 in it, and I got a 30 ml tube for 192 rupees, although the price is 250 rupees. A little expensive, I would say, but everyone recommends this. I mean, it's just amazing. It protects our skin from sun and also prevents that sunspot and everything. And nowadays I don't step out a lot, but then also I apply it every morning after my shower on my face and body to kind of deal with the sun exposure and UV rays. So it's an absolute buy for all of us. And the third on the list is the most hyped skincare product for 2020, maybe 2020 end, I think, and it is Pond's Super Light Gel, this cute sa baby tub. And I've been using Pond's Light Moisturizer from a while now, the green wala tub also. So this is, for me, this is the first time using Super Light Gel, and what I have heard that this is an affordable dupe to Neutrogena Hydro Boost Super Light Gel. So this is kind of cool, and this is for 149 rupees, a 73-gram tub, so I think it is affordable. We can try it out, and it has hyaluronic acid and vitamin E, and so far I have used it twice and it felt really good. I mean, non-sticky and really feather-like soft, so I think you can consider this as well. And the last product from this whole haul is this Swiss Beauty Gloss Me Lip Gloss, and if you are a gloss person, then you are going to love it anyways, and it is highly recommended and extremely affordable at the same time. Is the price, I mean, it is written 199 rupees, but I got it for 130 rupees, and it's really good. And don't know why, but I've started loving Swiss Beauty a lot, and the products are actually good no matter how affordable they are, but they work really well. And in this case also, it is very affordable, but as a lip gloss, it's superb. So if you are a gloss person, then surely consider this. So that's pretty much about the video, and I really hope you all enjoyed and found this helpful. I'll mention the purchase link in the description box. Don't forget to check that as well. Give it a thumbs up, and please comment down which piece out of all you love the most, and follow me on Instagram. My Insta handle is _Alisha180_. Please subscribe. I pyar you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Ta-da!